guys, it's Jerry. Thanks for tuning in today. What we're going to discuss is how to use the Liquify tool to enhance a boudoir photo shoot. Real quick, before we get started, click the subscribe button now, and that will keep you updated with all the new videos we'll be adding to the channel. Okay, so this is a boudoir photo that we've taken. It has a basic color correction, but we haven't did any skin enhancements just yet. But let's go ahead and get into the Liquify tool. So you're going to come to the bottom of your photos where you see all of the photos in the collection. You're going to click on the photo, edit in, and then you're going to edit in Adobe Photoshop and just give that a few seconds to load up. So whenever your image opens in Photoshop, the first thing you're going to do is click on the layer and click duplicate layer. I do that just to have the original photo to go back to. In case I do a Liquify edit that I'm not really happy with, I can just go back to the original and start over. So we've duplicated our copy. We're going to come to the top and we're going to click filter and we're going to click Liquify. So you want to come down and just until you see Liquify and click on that. First thing I look at is my size. You can see my brush here. That's just a little too big to be working with right now. I'm just going to bring that down a little bit. Pressure I usually leave 100. If you don't like that, you can turn it down. I just leave it up like that because you can always start over if you do something and you take it a little too far. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come over to my image and see how I'm just going to pull in a little bit in the middle right there. That looks good. I'm going to show you how to start over though. What if you do that and you're not really happy with how it looks? Just click on Restore All. And actually when I'm over here I can see I can make that brush a little bigger and just come over and just do it all in one kind of click. There we go. Now see the edge over in here? Don't worry about that. You can fix that whenever you come out of the picture. I'm going to turn my brush back down a little bit just to get this one area right in there. We go. And I'm going to actually turn the brush back up just to come in just a teeny more. Now keep in mind when you do this, you want it to look realistic. Alright, so now I'm going to come over to the right hand side and work on that. I'm going to turn my brush down. Okay, I'm going to start with this down a little more actually. I'm going to start, now that's a little too small. I'm going to start kind of right up in here and just kind of pull that in. I'm going to make my brush a little smaller because now I kind of want to get up in there. Actually a little bigger. Sometimes you just have to adjust your brush size and take it over and see if it's large enough or small enough. See, there we go. Maybe just kind of pull this in. Now, and what I'm fixing here, it's all kind of really natural stuff that's going to happen in any boudoir shoot. Now I'm just going to kind of pull this in a little bit, but I'm going to do a bigger brush. Not really liking how that's looking. I'm just going to hit edit and undo warp stroke a couple times. Maybe just start over on that. There we go. Remember I said we don't want to make it look fake, but we just want to do it a little enhancement. See how that's looking much better right there. Maybe just a teeny bit right in here too. Okay, down in here I'm okay with how all that looks. Just kind of wanted to pull this in just a little bit here. I'm going to come up here and maybe just pull that in a little bit as well. Kind of just come, there we go. All right, so, oh, maybe just a little right in here. Okay, we are looking good now. The next thing you're going to do is click OK. And kind of see how that enhanced the photo. We didn't make her look like a total different person, but we did a really nice enhancement there. Let me show you real quick the before. Here's before, and here is after. So next thing I'm going to do is click Layer and Flatten Image. And then I'm going to cross out of the image, and it's going to take it right back over into Lightroom. Whenever it asks if you want to save, just hit save and give it a few seconds for it to appear back in your Lightroom catalog. Okay, so that's just a little comparison right there of our before and after. So stay tuned for our next video. I'm going to go over airbrushing a little bit and how to enhance skin from a boudoir shoot. Thanks for tuning in today, and don't forget to click subscribe to our channel.